to Everyday Wanderings. I'm Wella. Unfortunately, the location featured in this video doesn't allow filming or sound recording. I decided to make a video anyway, out of the photos I took, because this place is unlike any I've ever been to, and definitely worth a visit. The Taipei Railway Workshop was originally a maintenance and repair facility belonging to the Taiwan Railways Administration. Built in 1935, it became a designated historical site in 2015 and is currently under restoration. The vast compound includes numerous workshops for maintenance and repairs, along with an office and a bathhouse. Housing an assortment of decommissioned railway vehicles, the workshop is every railway enthusiast's dream come true. Underneath the thick layers of dust are bits and pieces that tell of former workers' sweat and toil, and of their pastimes and joys. Peeling paint, forgotten tools, every time-marked brick, bolt, and nail is waiting to tell its story. Retired but not forgotten, the Taipei Railway Workshop will live on as a remembrance of past ages to remind, educate, and inspire all those who enter.